It's a new month and I can't hold back my excitement anymore. Today I'm going to share with you a revolutionary new design that's going to change the way we tell the time. Introducing the Crotch Clock. Over the years, I've backed quite a few Kickstarter campaigns, but I've always wondered what it was like to launch my own. I just needed the right idea, and around 10 or so years ago, when I was still a teacher, I had an industrial technology timber class that had a good amount of banter. In a jovial conversation, the Crotch Clock was born. So thank you Matt, Jamie, Austin, Michael, and Cameron. So since then, what I've done is develop the product until it's almost to the point of launching. Now obviously, I can't show you the details because it's patent pending, but I know you're curious, so I'll give you as much of an explanation as I can. Let's activate Kickstarter mode. Hi, I'm Michael Laws, and I'm the Chief Creative Engineer behind an exciting new product. Introducing the Crotch Clock. Like most people, I'm sure that you're sick of traditional timekeeping devices. The wristwatch is a flawed design and as obsolete as the sundial. Which wrist do you even wear it on? Why does wearing a watch mean you have to sacrifice wearing bling? Why can't wristbands keep up with the demands of modern life? How can you possibly have a watch that suits business, sports, and casual? And what type of device is so easily defeated by long sleeves? The Crotch Clock fixes all of these problems, and the clue is right there in the name. It resides down in your crotch. Your wrists will be unencumbered and free, and when you need to know the time, all you have to do is look down and widen your stance. The Crotch Clock can be fitted to any set of pants or shorts that has a fly, that is, a zipper at the front. And that means it's truly unisex and will fit any person. The Crotch Clock uses a laser that you've no doubt seen before, but never like this. It's driven by a galvo that is able to trace out a laser path faster than the eye can see. It's like when I turn on this laser and trace a circle, the shape persists and I can see the symbol. Except the laser in the Crotch Clock is much faster, more precise and a lot smaller. Using patented nanotechnology, co-developed with cutting-edge AI, this laser galvo assembly is powerful enough to create the time in whatever style you like. You have unlimited customization of the font and the format. Whatever your style, there's a Crotch Clock theme for you. When Crotch Clock is installed, there's an engineered micro switch that goes between your thighs, which means activating the clock is as simple as slightly widening your stance. This will trigger the switch, activating the miniature servo, which will unzip your pants, allowing the laser module to do its thing. It's super easy, convenient, and discreet. This is already revolutionary, but the Crotch Clock can do so much more. With our cloud-connected subscription service, Crotch Clock Pro, you can also add live weather data to the display. And like any smart device, you can sync the Crotch Clock with your phone, so you can really feel those important notifications. And say goodbye to inaccurate heart rate monitors or invasive heart rate straps with the Crotch Clock Clamp add-on. Monitoring your heart rate and other vitals is simpler yet more powerful than ever. Get real-time analytics on your body temperature, heartbeat, and bowel movements whenever you need it. Of course, there are some challenges when we're creating a device that transcends our understanding of time. We need to train users to adapt to this superior technology. We need to free them from the shackles of everything they've ever known, both from their wrists as well as in their minds. I am legally obligated to disclose these challenges. Now, there was one father who, in testing, spread out while reclining on the ground during a family picnic. The laser unfortunately engraved the time permanently on his son's corneas, but I'm confident with training this risk can be negated. There's also been a few pets that found out what the time was while begging for food, but I'm sure we can train them too. You just can't halt progress like this. Now I'm afraid it's time for me to go and get back to inventing the future. But if you want to be a part of the next evolution of human timekeeping, click that link to join the waiting list and get the latest updates before the Kickstarter launch. It is coming soon, so make sure that you're an early bird backer. Crotch Clock, the mastery of time is between your legs. G'day, it's Michael again. If you liked the video, then please click like. If you want to see more content like this in future, click subscribe and make sure you click on the bell to receive every notification. If you really want to support the channel and see exclusive content, become a patron. Visit my Patreon page. See you next time.